Okay, there's the house up there, and down here, I don't know if you can tell how steep that is, but anyway, down here is a dried riverbed. It's a wet weather. If it rains, it runs a stream about where them dogs are now. Oh, look at him, it's got a thorn. So now we're down actually in what used to be a riverbed. They say Oregon counties and a lot of southern Missouri counties has dried up, and I bet you in the past 40 years this might have been running water sometime 100 years ago maybe. So let me think, 20 years ago or 15 years ago, I was trying to haul a cement mixer up to the barn. This here, there's the bed, and here is this is kind of an inclined place that takes you up to the barn. So this is the cement mixer. It come loose on me and started to roll and ended up here. It's got a Wisconsin engine. Ooh, would that pour some concrete? Mix some concrete. I don't think the drum's getting a hole. Some bitch. I can patch that up though. There's the old mag. Wait a minute, maybe Wisconsin ain't the... I can't tell these old two-cylinder. That's not quite the engine I'm looking at anyway. I've got another engine like this. The story of that engine here is that I'm going to cut across here, taking a damn wrench and turning the shaft. So what I think now is it has it doesn't have any compression. It's got busted rings, I think. I think they were rusted to the cylinder walls. I guess I'll get that turned around and try to resurrect it. Mr. Main Prize was a carpenter, and they hired him to help build the Couch High School, and that cement mixer there was probably the big cement mixer that was used for some of their work there. Okay. Oh, Penny, I'm forgetting about Penny. Penny! Poor Penny, she can hardly wobble around, and I'm just walking like, honey, I'll pick you up if you can get up here. I'll carry you back home. Oh, Annabelle, I thought we had a big fish down there. You're over there waiting. I gotta help Penny. Come on, honey, I'm so sorry. I forgot all about you. Yeah. So nothing. Let's just go in. I'm gonna have to cut these trees down so I can get to walking back on this dam with ease. Watch your eyeballs. Look at this, another varmint path. Oh no, this is the one I've seen. Annabelle, come on. Come on. Okay. I'm gonna quit this.